Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is lady's finger or okra. You just need 1 lady's finger for this recipe. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Chop off the ends and you can discard them. Then chop them into small pieces like this. Lady's finger is a very healthy ingredient. It aids to weight loss, it lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugar levels, lowers blood pressure, helps in better digestion, builds immunity, improves eyesight and helps in hair growth. Transfer the lady's finger pieces to a mug like this. Then to this add a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Coriander seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and they provide significant health benefits. Coriander leaves and seeds are full of vitamin K, which plays an important role in helping your blood clot. Vitamin K also helps in bone repair. Now to this add 1 cup of hot water. The benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes open and check. Strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy drink to lower blood pressure is ready. Drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers your blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.